around your soul with no control. You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water. I'll run, I'll hide. Darkness always clouds my mind. When I look behind, it's moving closer every time.
Yes guys, welcome back to Petrol TV, and once again welcome back to a brand new video where today we've got a slight different format. I've got a car but I haven't got the owner with me, so I've been very kindly chucked the keys today to this absolutely beautiful BMW 335i M Sport. It's producing 330 brake horsepower from its 3 litre inline 6 twin turbo engine, and it sounds absolutely fantastic, so I think we should do a little bit of a sound check. How good does that inline 6 twin turbo engine sound? I truly believe this would sound absolutely amazing if you stuck an exhaust system on this, but that's up to the owner obviously. So the whole reasoning around this video today is I truly believe this is a fantastic car for you to jump into. So if you want to start with your BMW journey and you want to go into an M2, an M3, M4, M5, M6, etc., then I think this is a great place to start, because in my opinion this is like a baby M3. With a stage 1 map, you've got your 330 brake horsepower, and the sky's the limit. I've looked on YouTube and seen them 600 brake horsepower plus, so you can really play around with these and get them to some amazing power, and they drive absolutely amazing. And on topic of driving, I think we should jump out in this. What do you think? Yeah, let's go. Okay, so welcome guys into the BMW 335i M Sport, which my buddy of mine has very kindly chucked me the keys to. I'm going to keep him anonymous because like you see, he didn't want to be on camera today, so he was very nice enough to chuck me the keys to his lovely car here. The reason I thought this video would be quite good is because I truly believe one of these cars is a fantastic start in your BMW journey. Say you want to go into an M2, an M3, M4, all the way up, all the M cars. This is a very good base, I think, to start from. This one that I'm in right now is stage 1, so it's running 330 brake horsepower. I'm unsure of the tuner, so I apologise. I don't know who actually tuned the car, but what I've seen so far, it's a very good tune. So while we've got a bit of traffic ahead of us, let's just go into the styling wise of this car. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. You've got the full black leather interior in here. I'm sure there's many different combinations of interior you can get, but yeah, this interior is exactly what I would go for. It's all black. You've got the black finish on the dash, which I'll do an overlay of now. You've got your infotainment system all here. Your dual zone climate control. It's just a lovely place to be, this car. You've got all your luxuries. I truly believe this could actually be a great daily driver as well. Like, I'm just looking at the miles per gallon right here, and I haven't driven it much, but the owner looks like the owner's been getting around 30 mpg. So in my opinion, 30 miles per gallon is not bad for a 330 brake horsepower car, and it handles amazing. Grabs the road so well, and it's not that twitchy on the rear at all. It's absolutely perfect. It lets off some amazing burbles as well. And that's a lovely Ferrari there. Don't know if you saw that. Listen to this. Lovely burbles. I really think this could do with an exhaust, man. If this was my car, honestly, there'd be an exhaust straight on it, because it really is suppressing a lot of sound there. And guys, by the way, I'm not a BMW fan, honestly. I prefer AMGs. That AMG is my thing. Like, I would go for, if we're talking M3 wise, I'd go for a C63 because that's just what I like. That's my cup of tea. But I can honestly say these cars are absolutely amazing. I mean, this car is not new. This car is fairly old now, and it still feels tight as a drum. Like, everything is just spot on. It feels like a new car. It feels very, very special. Right, so we've got my famous Petrol TV straight. Let's see what this thing can do. Foot flat. Yeah. Yeah, so this is my first experience with a BMW really, and from what I've seen so far, it's got a great power delivery all the way up till about 4,000–5,000 revs, and then all I think this is the tune, but then all of a sudden this extra bit of power comes in and it's really, really aggressive. So I think all the power in this car is mostly top end, but it's got very, very good power, don't get me wrong, at the beginning, but I love that, having two-stage, like coming from my Civic, going into the VTEC, you got a bit before, and then bam, into VTEC. Sorry to go on to the Civics, but anyway, it's very similar to that kind of power delivery, and my God, it feels amazing. This is an absolutely beautiful car. As you can see, it's a convertible. I'm not really a fan of convertible cars, but this one is very, very nice. It's obviously got the hard top, so in winter time your roof ain't going to get ruined. It's not going to look disgusting. Obviously better for security wise because you've got the hard top instead of the soft top. But yeah, in my opinion, it's fantastic. So in the summer you can have the roof down, and in the winter you can have the roof up, and it looks like a hard top. Do you know what I mean? You can see it's convertible, but you've got best of both worlds there. Apologies if there's any wind noise. I really think this car could do with an exhaust, but it doesn't sound bad. Let me know what you think. This is what it sounds like. Ready? And here we go. Yeah, see, I'm not sure you're going to get much of the sound there. It's very, very subtle sound, but it's got a really lovely tone to it. Yeah, beautiful car, man, absolutely beautiful car. Gearbox amazing, silky smooth. It's very tight, very nice. So we've done one straight line bit of speed. I really think we should see what this is like on the twisty bits. So let's go down and see what this car is like. Okay, so on some twisty bits of road now. Should we stick it into first? Yes, let's stick it into first. Okay, ready, and off we go. Very, very nice car this is. I thought I was going to jump in this car and really struggle with it. Like, this is my first experience with rear wheel drive, proper rear wheel drive car, let's say. Okay, we've got a bit of a tunnel here. Ready? See what this sounds like. Right, so standing start, let's see what this car can do. Okay, so we'll stick it in first, ready? Wow, it's so tight on these bends. I really thought this car would be so much more twitchier on the back, but it's really not. I don't know whether it's because it's the convertible thing. Obviously convertibles weigh more, don't they? So I don't know whether it's that's helping it. But yeah, it's very, very controllable, very easy to drive. The clutch is not that heavy. It's got a bit of weight to it, as you would expect from a high performance car, but it's not that heavy at all. You could truly live with this as your only car. I mean, like as I was saying earlier, the fuel is not bad at all. I've been pressing the pedal down a foot flat and I'm still showing like over 25 mpg, to be precise, showing 26. So yeah, you could really live with this every day. Saying that, you should really expect high costs like tax. Tax is very expensive for this car, and obviously to fill the tank, it's got quite a big tank, I think. So yeah, you'd be looking at expensive costs there. But apart from that, and I mean, you don't really look, when you're looking into getting a performance car, you don't really care about I always mention it, but you don't really care about the costs. It's just smiles, man. Look at this. Yeah. The gearbox is amazing. Back into third, into fourth. Yeah. Okay, so we got another straight here. See what she can do, baby. This car is top end, man. Oh, and the brakes are very good. Right, so I've just pulled over and we're going to have a quick walk around the car. So it's absolutely stunning. You've got these lovely looking wheels on the side and the concave here, which is lovely. But what I think we're going to do is we're going to get the roof down and then we're going to go for a drive with the roof down. So if you come in here, it's got a beautiful interior. And this is exactly what I'd have. So it's all black leather with the piano black dash. Excuse the monster can, very bad habit, don't do that, kids. But yeah, this is the interior, absolutely stunning. So yeah, let's get the roof down. So let's jump in here. So to get the roof down, I've been told you just lift this up. You should see the windows start going down. And then there we go. Hello there. So as we can see, the roof is now currently going down. So this is absolutely perfect for summer. Get the roof open, and that's it. Wait for the windows to go back up. There we go. That didn't take too long at all. So now, if we jump out. So now we've got a lovely looking open top car, ready for summer. So yeah, don't this look amazing with the roof off? What a beautiful car. Just look at that angle there. What a stunning looking car. So yeah, I think we should go for a drive with the roof down. Right, so we've jumped out with the roof down. I've just recorded a whole section without even pressing record. My bad. But anyway, let's start again. So sorry guys if the wind noise is quite bad. I am working on the mic situation. We'll be getting a mic very soon. But anyway, back to the car. I had to get the roof down, guys. It's convertible. It's a beautiful day today, and we can hear the lovely sounds of that straight six. Yeah. Wow. I'm not even a BMW guy, but this thing. What a fucking car, man. Yeah. Excuse the Corona haircut. I haven't had a chance to get a haircut yet, but anyway, we're here to enjoy the car. Who cares about the hair? What does this sound like through the tunnel? Yeah. What a fucking animal. I truly believe this is a very, very special car, and this is a great start in the BMW journey. If you really want to get out there and get into an M3 or an M4 one day, you haven't quite got there financially, these are a fantastic place to start. The money that they are now, they've dropped big time. I think this one's probably worth around 7-8 grand maybe. I could be wrong there, it could be worth about 9. Around that, but I think that's very good value for money. You're getting a lot of car there for 9 grand. Oh, look at this convertible. You got the sounds. you got decent miles per gallon. I've been putting my foot down all afternoon and I'm still on 25 miles per gallon. My Mercedes ML does worse than that. But this thing really is lacking an exhaust in my opinion. I think if you was to jump into one of these, you really need to get that exhaust down because it's suppressing a lot of the sound. But I absolutely love the sound of this car. It sounds mega, it sounds beautiful. Obviously, I'm going to be a bit biased towards the C63s. I think they sound incredible. AMGs, in my opinion, they sound incredible. But this, listen. Yeah. What a gorgeous sound, man. Picks up speed so well, but like I was saying earlier in the video when the roof was up, sorry if you can't hear me, but like I was saying earlier, all the power seems to be in the, I wouldn't say all the power, but most of the power seems to be top end. So when this car is really going some, that's when it really shows what it's all about. And my god, it picks up speed really well, man, really well. And this is one of my first experience with a BMW, and I have to say guys, I'm very impressed. And this is good coming from me because I'm not a BMW lover. I don't really look at BMWs, like I don't consider them for my car, but this is a very nice car and I think great value for money, so you'd be very silly not to check one of these out. Yeah guys, so we're coming up to summer now. I rate these cars very highly. I mean, this would be amazing fun in the summer. I'd love to have this in my garage. But unfortunately, I've spent all my money and I'm saving as well because we need to spend money on the Civic and the ML. But this would be a very good buy for one of you guys. So this is why I thought I'd do the video today. I think these cars are amazing value for money. I really appreciate my friend chucking me the keys to this because yeah, it's really given me the opportunity to take a car out on my own and feel it for myself. And yeah, I'm very impressed. So instead of doing a boring outro picture like I always do, I'm going to do it differently from now on. This is how I'm going to do it. Click here to watch my last video. Click here to subscribe to the Petrol TV family.